Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy the Kraken Totem. This guide will walk you through the entire process, from understanding its value to successfully acquiring it. We'll cover where to find it, what you'll need, and important considerations to ensure a smooth transaction. Get ready to enhance your gameplay with this powerful item. Finding the Kraken Totem often starts in the main trading hubs. The in-game auction house is usually your first stop, offering a wide selection from other players. Don't forget to browse player-run shops, as they sometimes have unique deals. Keep an eye on special in-game events too. They occasionally offer rare items like this as rewards.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're seriously comfortable and durable. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Before making a purchase, always research the current market value. Prices can fluctuate, so knowing the average helps you avoid overpaying. Compare offers from different sellers, whether on the auction house or from individual players. Don't be shy about negotiating, especially with player vendors. A polite offer can often save you some in-game currency. Once you've found your Kraken Totem and agreed on a price, it's time to finalize the deal. Double-check that you have the correct amount of currency or the agreed-upon trade items ready. Always verify the item's details in the trade window to ensure it's exactly what you want. A quick confirmation prevents any accidental purchases or misunderstandings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.